once you go, you've got to go, haven't you? Because you've got to fight pace. And I'd say that's the deepest, it's just because you're fighting against the current. Do we need to point more upwards and go across?
Well, the trouble is pointing upwards. What it's trying to do, you're trying to push against the current, aren't you?
Yeah. I want to try and get across there, then across.
If it was coming down, it wouldn't be a problem.
No, that's right. I'll tell you what might be a problem coming down. It might tend to take you down the stream. But I mean, it doesn't seem, it's not lifting you or anything like that. Go a bit farther this time and don't go all the way.
So hook this post, this tree. See, now you're rising again now.
Pardon?
Yeah, it's not much more than your wheels there, Paul.
Paul, you're in the worst of it there then.
It's coming in underneath my seat, and where are my electrics are though?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be any deeper.
Well, you were going slow.
Yeah.
The point about it is, you weren't actually, you were almost, you were in the deepest of it there because it was the full flow.
You feel the nose come up a little bit.
I don't know. I mean, you know what it's like underneath. It's smooth underneath.
Yeah.
So I mean, you could go at it at, I mean, you want to hit it at 5 mile an hour in bottom gear at some revs, not slipping the clutch, just straight through. So if we can do this one, the others are easier.
They're all much as the same.
It does get really wide further up.
Yeah. Listen, why don't you go halfway across this time and ready to bang it into reverse?
I think once you go halfway,
You're through it.
Go.
I started lifting again. I was coming up on a higher ground.
I think that was a better approach than before.
That approach seemed fine.
Well, I should say it fills up with water if you don't go, that's the trouble, but it's just having the nerves to do that little bit extra, isn't it? If you look where it sort of bows down a bit. In fact, it looks like it's calmed down since we've got in.
I'm spinning.
That's because you're just stuck, I think. You've got to go, haven't you?
Yeah.
That was okay. It wasn't taking you at all then.
No, well, I was wheel spinning then.
Oh well, yes, because you were going steady, weren't you? You think, or?
I think so. It seems to have calmed down.
Let me let the water out.
I think at that point you've just got to go 5 miles an hour, as you say.
You just got to go.
Yeah.
Coming down the river, down the other side.
Yeah, it'll find its way, you see now. It comes as a river the road.
I don't think it's not pushing you downstream at all.
No.
And I mean that's the biggest worry, isn't it? There's no sign of it doing that. I think it's just 5 mile an hour and go for it.
I need to.
Up the road, we can pull you. We can pull you out. That angle was quite good up this side.
Yeah, and then across.
And then just across. Yeah. Because you were actually way past this bush.
Was I?
Yeah, you were past. You were in the full current.
Yeah, it was
you
at the worst point.
Yeah, you're at the worst point.
You just got to keep going, else you ain't going to go.
Not too many revs, just steady. Just keep enough revs on to keep it going.
Yeah. Bring it back.
you got?
First.
Low first, right. You don't want to be slipping the clutch, you want the clutch out and revs on by the time you get going. Right, so start here, steady progress and get going. That's it.
Hang on, I'm going up a bank.
Come left, come left.
Let's calm down.
I think it's calmed down. Yeah, it's got a bow wave now as well. It's going to be worse.
Oh God.
I don't think the 5 mile an hour approach is... Hold on. That's because she's causing the bow wave.
Causing a bow wave? Look at it! I'm gonna die!
Come on! Let's do it!
It's still going, then it's falling out the bonnet and I'll stop. Oh no. It is going to triple off your dashboard. Don't forget I've lost 2 radiators up this place. In the water. You don't get that bad from here. Till you get in it, then it's a bit bad. My dad's probably coming through my bench because I've lost your seals on the Avenger.
As I say, I thought you were through it.
I think you're right, it's a little bit further. Did you get in back at rolling line back up? Yeah, and then from there, it's just that initial first. Yep. I don't want a bow wave. No. I'm fighting against that. Yeah. I'm fighting against the bow wave.
Well, I suppose you are.
I'm glad I come back out.
Well, yes, well, no, I mean, that's the point. That's what I say, just get ready.
And then I went up that bank. I just panicked.
That doesn't matter. Because the other disadvantage is if we don't do this one, we're going to do the other one again.
Right. And that tree, I'm going to push you in front.
Try it again and we get ready to hit reverse. A bit slower this time, I think.
A bit slower.
Not the reverse bit though.
Right now.
He said the reverse a bit slow, because no,
not reverse.
flat out in reverse.
Come on, we're going to do this one. It just seems to be calming down. What it is, just that bow wave, it just gets shit out of you, doesn't it? Got to go faster than so she's going to bottom out again. That bottom out, your wheels are going to get stuck, aren't they?
Fucking water coming in.
It's alright, it's coming through, mate.
I'm going to let some water out.
Controlled reverse, what are we doing it?
I know, it just won't let me go.
It won't let you go.
You've got to be somewhere between those two speeds, haven't you?
It's just the pressure of the water.
The pressure of the water, and then it starts piling in because I'm going too slow.
How far did you get with your front that time?
The time again, I ain't got any further any time.
You don't think so?
No. There's a bit of a dip.